Hello everyone, Innovation Geeks presents Snakes and Ladders. So, what comes to your mind when someone say games? So much fun, right? Children always love games. Basically, what children expect in their games is joy of competition, problem solving, and fun learning skills. By taking three things into consideration, we have recreated one of the most traditional games in India, which is Snakes and Ladders. The reason behind choosing this particular game is it is losing its popularity day by day. We have recreated this game by adding some problem solving questions.
Hello everyone, myself KJ Jayashree of RMK CET. Firstly, I thank the management of RMK CET for giving this wonderful opportunity to work with RMK Toy Hackathon. I have worked in Innovation Geeks on planning and executor for this team on the game Snakes and Ladder. I have contributed and coordinated the people for editing, graphical designing and animations. I have planned many PPTs and also worked with them. The main motto of this game Snakes and Ladder is to learn and chill.
Hello everyone, this is Monashri. I'm the technical coordinator for our project which is Snakes and Ladders. So I took the part of providing technical assistance for our project, and I've also hosted many meetings to prepare the presentation.
Hi everyone, this is Jaishnavi. I have been working as a graphic designer for the project. I have included some animation GIFs and clip arts in the presentation.
Hi everyone, I'm Monica. I'm idea producer for this project. I make an idea that if the dice is rolled from the outcome points under each outcome points, each question will be displayed. The player must attend that question rightly, then only the coin of the player must move. So, I hope that this idea is helpful for you.
Hi everyone, this is Manju Patmi, feeling proud to be a part of this toy hackathon. The main idea of our team, Innovation Geeks, is to make the children to learn with joy and fun by using this game Snake and Ladder. I play a major role as an editor by ensuring quality, readability and efficient publication of the content intended.
This is Jashwanti from Hackathon team. My contribution in Hackathon team was grammatical mistakes, to correct grammatical mistakes in the hackathon. My group leader was Jayashree. She is really doing good and she is very supportive and coordinative.
These are the instructions of this game. We have to first select the number of users, that is 2 to 4. You can't select 1 or more than 4. Then you have to select the topic in which you are more comfortable. Unlike the original Snakes and Ladders game, which depends only on luck, this game concentrates on both luck and knowledge. So here are some technical details of our project. We are going to code our program in NetBeans IDE. Further, we are using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the preview of the game. As I said before, you have to select the number of users, then select the topic, roll the dice, answer the question and get your points. Same goes with the other players. Are you excited to enter the game? Let's start the demo. Using HTML, we have created a home page about the game page, which includes the information about the history of the game, instructions, a feedback page which helps us to know the experience of the user, a settings page and an update page. This page will redirect to the App Store. Using CSS, we have included background images, fonts, etc. Using JavaScript, we have written the code to move the coins.
Hello everyone, this is Jayshree from Innovation Geeks. Myself the team leader. I'm the planner and executor for this Snakes and Ladder. Okay, let's get started. This is the first page of our game. Before playing, please check the setting page so you will be more comfortable with the game. This is the setting page of our game. Here you can select 3 levels which are easy, medium and hard. Initially the level is set as easy. You can also set the timing. Initially that is set as 10 seconds. Maximum time is set as 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. You can also upload the game and update the game. For example, we are demonstrating this game for 2 users. These are the topics that you need to select any one topic from this list. And also different players can select different topics. This is the main part of the game. Now chance goes for the first player. So now player 1 has to roll the die. Here A represents 1, B represents 2, C represents 3 and so on. The player 1 will get any one of the 6 lights. For example, player 1 gets B. The question will be asked on the topic that you have been chosen. If player 1 gave the correct answer, he or she will get 2 points, that is B represents 2. If the player gave the wrong answer, yes, no movement, nothing, that is like 0 points. The main mode of the game is only give 2 choices. If player cannot give the correct answer, he or she can find the correct answer easily. This is how we learn from the concept in a basic and very funny way. Here the coin moves 2 times and wow, the player got the ladder. The same procedure with other player, and one thing I want to mention, you can also resume or quit the game if you don't want to play. Now chance goes for the other player. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.